To thank Nigerians who have come out en masse to vote and exercise their civic responsibility. I also want to use this opportunity to commiserate with the people of Rivers State, the people of Kogi State, the people of Kwara State, and to a certain extent, some portions of southern Kaduna, where elections could not take place, and where thugs and people in uniform, especially in military uniform, came out, killed a lot of our supporters. This is unacceptable, this is unethical, this is ungodly, that people should be stopped from exercising their civic responsibility. I forgot to mention what had happened in Ojota, in Festac, and other portions of Lagos. It is condemnable, and I ask the international community to quickly investigate this. I also want to urge all our supporters across the country that exit polls from several portions, from several parts of this country has indicated that we are in a clear lead, two-digit lead over the incumbents, and that this is the time to really come out, fortify all polling stations, and make sure that the votes are counted in your presence and recorded in your presence, and it is sent to the collation center. God has buttered our bread. God has ended these mischief makers. God has sent away this fascist government. We must uphold it. We must make the last push to make sure that this happens. Thank you very much.